Clap your hand to the morning out here. Next.
कुछ हॉरर मूवी में लग रहा होगा।
This is the camel ship.
फातिमा कहाँ जा रही हैं आप? डॉल्फिन्स देख रहे हैं? वाओ, बाय द वे आई लाइक योर हेयर स्टाइल। हाय फातिमा, कहाँ आई हैं आप?
मैं डॉल्फिन देखने आया हूँ, तो we are places.
ये आर यू एक्साइटेड?
Yes.
ये
Hi.
कहाँ आई हैं आप?
डॉल्फिन देखना तो मम्मा भी टिकट लेने आई।
हाँ, मम्मा टिकट लेने गई हुई हैं। ओके, तो
आप लोग कब जाएंगे?
वी आर एक्साइटेड। ये हम लोग यहाँ पर दुबई में डॉल्फिन शो देखने के लिए आए हैं, और ये जितनी लंबी सी लाइन आप देख रहे हैं ये एक टिकट की लाइन है।
दुबई पहले टाइम आए।
टिकट हमें मिल गया है 25% इसके चार्जेस हैं। देखते हैं, एक्सप्लोर करते हैं। फातिमा हाय।
This is the body.
Oh, nice.
This is the head. This is the camel shape.
You can also write the name in this.
I can write the name.
Oh, wow, nice.
You like it?
Yes, a lot. Thank you. आए तो थे हम डॉल्फिन का शो देखने के लिए यहाँ पर, लेकिन क्योंकि ईद है, ईद की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा रश है, टिकट्स तो हमें नहीं मिले, लेकिन अब हम बर्ड्स का शो देखेंगे। ये यहाँ पे कस्टमाइज शर्ट डिज़ाइनर्स बन रहे हैं जिसमें आप अपना नाम, लोगो वगैरह लिखवा सकते हैं। नाइस है ना? शो का टिकट हमें मिल गया है। चार्जेस क्या है इसके? 30 किड्स। शो शुरू होने में क्योंकि अभी टाइम था तो हम ट्रेन के अंदर बैठ गए लाहौर जाने के लिए जिसका टिकट है चिल्ड्रन का 10 और एडल्ट का 15। हमें टोटल पड़ा था 50 dirham का, और ये हमें पूरा जो यहाँ का एरिया ये कवर करवाएंगे। छिक 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 चले छैया 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 छैया। बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है। चिल्ड्रन सिटी जो है ये पूरा हमें कवर करवाएंगे इस ट्रेन के अंदर। चले जी, हम पहुंच गए अपनी मंजिल मकसूद पर। मिरर मेस, देखते हैं यहाँ पर क्या है। हमने सोचा चलो यहाँ चले जाएं जब तक टाइम है हमारे शो का। मिरर मेस का टिकट है 10 dirham। मिरर मेस में जाने के लिए आपको ग्लव्स पहनना ज़रूरी है। पहनो, ग्लव्स पहनो। हम सब जो है ग्लव्स पहन रहे हैं। तो हम आ गए हैं हम लोग हैं और इधर हम घूम रहे हैं।
Clean avocado. Do you believe in love? I do, but I'm single. Red color is the colors of love, and how about the blue? The square blueberry. The most expensive fruits ever. Now all the children and all the husbands, if you do this, your wife and your mommy will be happy. Clean your own mess. You know what, kids? Try to do this at home and your parents will be proud of you. Once you see rubbish, pick it up just like this and put it in the dustbin. What do you do after cleaning, DJ? Show to the kids your good manners. Come on, kids, never forget to close the bin always. Yes, salam. Okay. Yeah. Where is that clapping? Come on, clap your hands. That's right. So we're gonna do one more round. It's gonna be the final task, okay? The final task for never ever before. We do it as if there's no tomorrow, DJ, alright? So we're gonna fly together as a basketball ring toss. 1, 2, go. So we have to enjoy the rest of the day? Yes. Right. Because the team is not come yet. Woo! 1-1, the two best friends. Thank you so much. We come to Dubai. Daraja, Hawaii. Come on everybody, where's the clapping? Yalla guys, habibi, yalla, ta'ala. Flashlights. We're gonna do it one more round. You know, the golden blue macaw are the third largest parrot. They are so amazing. He's a lovely boy. And what is the largest macaws in the world? The largest one is called the hyacinth. We call it the blue macaw. Now friends, we talk about it. Choose one number from here. I want you to go behind the wall. Write the number and come back. Don't show anybody. Choose a number. You can go behind, write it and come back. Miss, remember, nobody should know what you're writing. Your hand motion, nobody should know. 14. Yes. I will take it out. That's right. Nobody should know your hand motion. Okay, choose a new number. Go behind the wall. Secret writing and come back. Don't show anybody. Only you should know it. Now, Brother Ronnie will show you 4 paper. Don't show him the board. Tell me yes or no if your number is on that paper. Don't show him the board. Paper number 1. Is your number on that board? Alright, drop it out. We got a yes to go for it. Paper number 2. Is your number there? Yes. Alright, so we got 2 yes and 1 no in house. Paper number 3. Is your number there? Drop it up. 3 yes. 1 more. 2 yeses and 2 no, bro. What should be 3 yeses and 1? I think she's playing with us. Wait, is your number here? Is your number from here? Yeah. It's here? Okay, wait. She's confused me and confused. Okay, come this side, but don't show the board to anybody. Don't show. DJ, what do you think the number is? 4 digits. What is it? 15. Is it 15? Yes or no? I know it. It's number 13.
No.
Hey, trainer, what's the number? Number 10. What's going on? Sultan, can you tell us what's the number?
Hold on. Is that your number?
6? No. Show everybody the board. Yes, salam! Hey.
What?
Wait. Sister, do you want to know how did the bird find your number? You want to know? How many of you want to know how did the bird find the number? If I tell you, the company will throw me outside. Thank you so much. They are found many places in the world.
Okay.
Famous in Australia, Brazil, Papua New Guinea, and also Philippines. Are you coming with me next week?
About what? Is there any good news?
Ladies and gentlemen, everybody clap your hands for Trainer Merlin out here. Next week, me and my son crew are flying with Merlin because next week, Trainer Merlin is getting married.
Wow.
Yes.
Congratulations.
The one in the red in the between. Married? What's your name, sir? Raj? She will marry next week. I want you to give her one advice.
Your wife is listening.
He said, don't do it.
How about you, bro? What is your good advice to Marley?
My advice?
Yeah.
Run away. Okay, friend. And move it, DJ.
Come on, Mr. Samsa.
Yes, that is super cool. Now, stronger, okay? DJ, do you know girls are stronger than boys?
I
Yes,
know.
strong enough. Don't move your hand. The bird is going to fly, trainer. Ronnie is going to assist us for this one. This is the world's fastest flying birds. We call them the falcon, the peregrine. Awesome. Come on, give her a big clapping, everybody.
Superman.
Wow, that is awesome. The friend who just came in. Come join us.
तो ये थी मेरी आज की वीडियो। होप आपने एंजॉय की होगी। मिलती हूँ नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। अल्लाह हाफिज़।